Okay, we're getting ready for Sunday. I'm going to show you all the stuff we got in store, but I just put a new, completely new drivetrain in this one. Whole new drive shaft, new bearings in the back, CNC alloy, running on 14.8 volts, brushless, power mag motor, and she's angry, man. she's angry. Alright, so we're good to go. I don't see any water coming in, so I sealed it pretty good. So now we're going to go work on the other boat. I'll show you what that looks like here in a sec. Okay, so we're going to be bringing the Bebop 2, the DJI Spark right here, and I don't think I'm going to bring any of the other ones. I may bring the Gladius underwater 4K submersible. I'll bring the tether out there. That might be kind of fun. I'm bringing both boats. I don't think we're bringing any of the cars or anything. We are also going to be bringing my PC with the trainer cord attached to it in case anybody wants to try FPV. I am bringing the Tyro 99 race quad, my FPV goggles. I have an FPV watch in case anybody wants to give that a go, and I think that's pretty much it. So we're getting ready to take the new brushless boat here, and I've got a tri-prop that I want to stick on there, CNC alloy, which is I switch this over to a single prop, but this one also has single prop, so I want to change it to a tri-prop here and see what we can come up with. See if I can get that on there. If I can, this should be wicked fast. So another little brushless speedboat there for some fun. I don't want to burn it up when I first get it, but then I have to convert one of these batteries over from XT60 to Dean's connector, which I have. I'm going to pull this one down and turn that into a Dean's connector, so I have a little soldering to do. So I have two batteries. One's a Zippy 1000 mAh, and the other one is a 1200 mAh. So I at least want to, I bought this battery for a totally different reason, but now it's going to get used on the boat. So we're going to go ahead and just change that tip out to something else. And that way I have two batteries that I can use for this setup. So that's pretty much what we're doing. So if you want to be there on Sunday, I'll give you guys directions. It is Sunday at 11 a.m. at RE's Old Park. That battery just finished charging, which is super cool. Stop that LiPo, unplug it here. We're going to get ready to cut this and modify it because this is only for my goggles at this point, so all I need is the balance port. And I can charge it right here on my 2S, so I can do it just like that. It says cell number 2 is still not finished charging, but it's good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this connector off here, and that'll be the end for this battery. I got this with another truck. I don't need it anymore, so I'm going to steal the connection off of it. I only use this for my goggles, which runs on balance port only, and I can charge it on balance port only, so we're good to go there. So, alright guys, hopefully I see you there Sunday. It should be a blast. There's going to be about 27 or 30 pilots out there. We should have some fun. So between the boats, a couple drones, maybe the Gladius, and the Tyro 99, we should have a good time. I think it'll be fun. So, alright guys, drone worship, I'm out. To do you.